Go ahead. So tell me, this is before we actually worked with her. So tell me right now what's going on, why you came to us, what you're expecting, or what you're skeptical about.
She's very aggressive on a leash.
Uh-huh. There we go. Good. Hold that real tight for me. Good.
Towards people, but she doesn't mind.
Okay.
And she's horrible on a leash.
Horrible on a leash. Okay.
Yes.
So, and she just lunges and acts aggressive and.
Even when there's no other dogs around, she will still pull on a leash.
Okay. All right. So we just finished up with her first session. So we just did what? We had her walking around another dog. We had her placing. How did you guys? Did it? Was I lying?
You did
how did it go?
Lie. She's much better. We'll have to see how the owners work. But she seems to be. She's looking at him right now.
Come here. Let me see this. Come here. Come here. Daisy. Daisy. Come here, please. Good dog. Very good. Very good. And we're super close. Yes. Good dog. Very good. Place. And she knows he's there. She sees him. Yeah.
She keeps looking, but
she's got a new leader.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it's you guys.
Not me yet.
We'll get there. Good.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
thank you.
Good. If you're in Reno, Sparks, or surrounding areas in northern Nevada and you'd like to train with us, give us a call at 775-341-1717. That's 775-341-1717. If you're not in northern Nevada but you'd like to learn the same techniques that we use, subscribe to our free weekly dog training tips at dogproblems.com.